Hey guys, Sean from Level 12. Just wanted to demo this rear view mirror interface with a backup camera. So when you're in drive and the vehicle is moving forward, looks like a regular rear view mirror. As soon as you pop the vehicle into reverse, you get the picture to show you what's behind you, along with the warning lines as well. We have also installed these backup sensors as well as the front sensors. So it will beep and show you how far away you are from the objects, and if you keep going, you see the numbers and the warning bars change, and then as you get really close, it will go constant to let you know that you're too close. And then we've got the same thing going on with the fronts. So as you move forward, you see the left side sensor is sensing, and then now it's showing both sides as we're closer. Just doing a quick walk around of the vehicle. So as you can see, the 4 bumper sensors are installed in the bumper, and we've also got a very discreet camera that's got the LEDs built into it just to help with the picture. And here are the front sensors as well. These could also be paint match if you so request. So this is just a nice aid to add to the vehicle as you are driving, just to help you kind of navigate when you're parking and whatnot. Any questions, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.